Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's going to be a hot one today. I've got the fans on. I'm not going to turn them off. I put a second one in to get some air circulation in here. I think it's going to be maybe 97 today. But I'm looking at these two Ischia Black brebas, and you can see the big difference from the previous time. If you look at the other videos, what these two initially looked like, now they're really just drooping. And I was going to pick both of them, but I think I'll pick one and then even let the other one even go further. So yeah, it's got the fig honey. One thing I was just thinking, I don't think I mentioned that one of the benefits of the fig honey is also that it blocks the eye from any insects getting into the fig and contaminating it. So at this stage here, you know, it sort of blocks the eye like amber, and nothing can get in there and spoil the high sugar content fig. So you can see they're reduced in size too, so I wasn't going to weigh it because really there's no way to compare this apples and apples, because it's just different fig and it's a different amount of time. So you can see here what I'm talking about. So that is blocked. Nothing getting into that. So as the moisture decreases, this congeals, blocks the eye. It sort of becomes a thicker syrup. And then sort of just like amber. This is dry. This is a plug now. It's not even tacky. So it's completely sealed the eye, or congealed dehydrated honey or something. But yeah, you can see it's a lot smaller and it should be a lot darker inside. And I've had these figs like over a year in the lean-to from the previous season, and challenged myself to try it, and it was good. I mean, that's why these would be used, I guess, to go through the desert, you know. It's storage, stored food. They're not going to go bad, and they're a quick source of energy. A lot of sugar. And I found that the Ischia Black really dehydrate good on the tree. Some figs, well, it depends on the season too, they're just so large, and it might be in the fall where it's probably going to drop the fig anyways, that sometimes before you're able to get to the fig, it's fallen off and is a pancake on the ground, and the ants have already gotten to it. So let's cut this open and take a look and give it a taste. Okay, so let's weigh this. 20 grams. So you can see this one here is weighs a lot less. The first one was 50 grams. First fig, and then the second one was 45 grams, and I mean, it's not exact science, but they're relatively the same size when they started ripening. Okay, so there it is. Let's take a look inside. Looks like the seeds are actually larger now. So this here is almost like a smoke ring when you smoke something, but this is sugar content increasing. It's getting darker and darker, less water content, larger seeds, going to be more seed crunch, and it's becoming tacky. It's more of a jam consistency now, and you can see how much darker this fig is from the previous two. So I leave that other one on there, the other breba, and it almost will become like a candied fig. And you can see the blocked eye. You can see the blocked eye there. Look how dark that is. I think these are the best brebas I've gotten off of the tree, and the most. So let's give this a try now. So you can see the interior of this fig looks more and more like what you find in a fig Newton. And the seed's definitely larger than the last one. Alright, it's not, surprisingly, it's getting more dehydrated, but it wasn't as sweet as I thought it was going to be. So I'll just really leave that other one on there. Kind of a mushy feel to it also. I was expecting a little bit more off of that one. So it just shows you that the figs can be different from fig to fig on the same tree variety. I thought that would be a higher sugar content. So I'll really leave that other one on there. See how sweet it can get. So this is New England Gardening. And that's an Ischia Black breba fig. A little bit more ripe than the previous two. Thanks for watching.